Knife-wielding man fatally stabbed one and injures another in Christiana, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Lawmen assigned to the Mandeville police have arrested and charged 25-year-old Esharon Clark, otherwise called Boom Boom, of Savoy Christian in Manchester with murder of 24-year-old Stephen McLaughlin, otherwise called Rice Bag, and the injuring of another man on Main Street in the parish on December 23rd. The police said that Clark has also been charged with wounding with intent. Reports from the police are that at about 1 a.m. an argument developed between the three men, leading into an altercation. A knife was reportedly brought into play and McLaughlin and the other man were stabbed several times all over their bodies. Both men were taken to hospital where McLaughlin was pronounced dead and the other man admitted and later released. Clark was arrested during an operation and interviewed in the presence of his attorney, where he was charged with the offenses. His court date is to be finalized by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.